Hello, I'm interested in the car you have for sale.
Hi. It's still available. Do you want to take a look?
Yes, how many kilometers has it done?
About 60,000 kilometers.
Has it ever had any accidents?
No, it's accident-free.
Can I see the service records?
Sure, here they are.
May I take it for a test drive?
Of course, let's go for a short drive.
The engine sounds good. Any issues I should know about?
Just a small scratch on the back bumper.
Why are you selling the car?
I'm upgrading to a newer model.
What's your best price?
I can go down to 200 million VND.
Can you include new tires?
Yes, I can add new tires for that price.
I'd like to think it over.
No problem. Let me know if you have questions.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.